How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super nice 68 Chevelle Malibu, done in a show quality Cortez Silver, black top, black accent on the bottom. I got this car from a very good friend of mine. Been in their family 30 years. All the bumper and the grill, everything on this car is very nice. The car was painted about 10 years ago, and at that time they put the steel cowl hood on it, re-chromed all the bumpers, did new vinyl top. Just a nice original numbers match car, hasn't been all molested and cut up. It's all original panel car, no rust. Very nice car. Super slick, straight down the sides. I'm telling you, this Cortez Silver with the black is just absolutely gorgeous. Been updated with the disc brakes up front. Came factory with power drum. It's got your factory power steering, got factory air. Very nice car. 69,000 mile car. Tell you, it's hard to find one this clean, this nice a car. See the doors, everything. Interior in the car is just gorgeous. Headliner's real nice and tight. It's got the deluxe interior with the cloth and vinyl mix. It's all the original dash. Got a little bit of wear on the knobs and things. They did update it with some box control arms and rear sway bar off an SS car. A nice jack and the spare and everything. Got a car cover that goes with it. See the trunk floor and everything in this car is just gorgeous. You'll see the undercarriage pictures. All we did is wipe the dirt and grime off the bottom. The rear bumper and everything on this car is very nice. All your taillight bezels. Just a super solid car. Thing fires right up. Again, this is the original numbers match car. It's just super slick car. Get in this car, just drive it, enjoy it. And nice dual exhaust on it with the correct tips. Backup lights and everything work. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.